So last week we had headhunters here, and Soundrush decided to surprise us wearing Popeye costume and a duck costume. And swear to God, we had no idea they were coming.
No.
And it turned out to be a wonderful evening.
It was the whole episode is amazing. If you haven't seen it yet, you better check that out on our YouTube channel.
Yes, because Headhunters removed his claim again, so
then there's
you can
also
actually watch it.
There's also a little butt that you can see.
Oh, there's a butt there.
There's a full moon tonight.
Sound butt?
Sound butt.
Yes. In the background right now, take on me, Soundrush Bootleg. I'm guessing butt leg?
Did you say bootleg?
Booty.
Booty
leg.
A booty leg.
Yeah. All right. Sing along time. Maldman, something like that. How much is the fish? Yeah, have you been to the markets, Marcus? Have you checked how much
I have not. It's been a while since I checked the fish, actually. Okay. Last time I checked, I think we're looking at $9.99 per kilo for the salmon. Okay. The trout was $13.99.
Yeah, but salmon is Norwegian, so that's the most important.
Yeah, and the forelle was...
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go!
Was that